All right, welcome back, everyone. So this is the next video in the Lyra how-to series. And this is going to be about implementing metahumans into Lyra, right? I've seen some, I think Unreal did a video on kind of customizing your character, but it's something that I've always liked playing around with the customization, choosing, what guns you get, what pants you have, all of that stuff. This is how I've implemented that. So it's going to be a number of videos. I'll try and get those out at a quicker pace than I've done some of the other ones at. But there's a lot in here. It takes a lot to get this implemented. Once you get the hang of it, though, you can start flying through the steps. So let's go ahead and jump in to see what this is going to look like. If we load into the default experience, we'll go to the front end. So I'll show you why I loaded into that. We can kind of jump in and out. I modified this a little bit. I can show you how to do that just to do different things that you want to do. But if we start the new game, this is the first menu that pops up. I haven't implemented choosing your team. That's not what the series is going to be about. I can do that in a later one. But the reason why I have that on here is to show you you can choose your body type right here, right? Showing you that you can add any number of these menus is essential because this is what you need to get this one working. You can choose either the Manny or the Quinn. Let's go ahead and choose the Manny. This is the first panel that's showing up, and you can tie these in, bind these. You can do all sorts of stuff with that, right? But first thing we'll do is let's take a look at the character. We've got the MetaHumans in there, the different body types, and let's go to the faces. We can choose different faces. We can choose complexions, and then I think I've even got different hairs. So let's go back. You know what? How about this? So let's give him a jacket. Let's give him some black pants. I think let's give him body armor, right? So I think I've got some cool. Where's this one? This one's futuristic. Let's take a look at the guns. So he can start off unarmed, right? But I'm going to give him a pistol to start off with. So this is our character. I'll show you he's got his jacket, his vest, and black pants along with his pistol. So right here is where we will load in the level. He's got his vest on, he's got his gun, he's got his war belt, and we are good to go. Notice too, the other characters are all randomized. They're not affected by what you choose. Quit the game, we'll go back to the main menu, and I can show you that again, right? So we'll hit start, let's select team 2, choose Quinn, and here we go. We have Quinn now, we've got the female. So if that looks like something that you want to be able to implement in your version of Lyra in your game build, stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, do the notify thing. I don't even know how those work, to be honest, but hit all of that stuff, and I will get these videos to you guys ASAP. So stay tuned, take care, and I will see you next time.